Hey guys, this is a Bricklink order that I placed about a week ago, and it came today. So now I'm going to show you what I bought. So these are the new steering pieces. Well, they might be new to me at least. Yeah, I bought them so that I could do some more advanced steering. Yeah, and yeah, they might come out in a future model or two. Yeah, I bought 4 of those. I think that's how many. I hope so. Anyway. Yeah, and then I bought these for so that I could have a few more, and that's maybe 20 or so. Yeah, they're just a small. Don't really know what the name is, but yeah. Anyway, just bought those for so that I could have a few more in my stock. Yeah. So. And then, what else did I get? Oh, and then I got some of the bigger ones. I thought I ordered more than, what is that, 5? Anyway, some large, L-shaped beams. 4 of those. What else? Oh, some of these connectors. I was running low, but then finished, the big Lego Technic tractor truck. I was running low, and thought I'd buy a few more. That's what it looks. That's what they look like. Yeah, and yeah, I got a few more of those. So yeah, and a few more L-shaped beams. And I was also running low of the Transclear 1x2 bricks. I don't really know what the proper name is for those, because I don't really use proper Lego studs very much. I guess you would call it that, I don't really know. As you can see. Yeah, and then what else? Oh, some plates. I also wanted these for a future mock dump truck. Anyway, that's all I can say right now. And then, yeah, for added detail. So there's some 2x4s, 2x2s, 2x1s. Yeah, that's about it. A few of each. That's what's in my bag. Oh, even more of those O-beams. And oh, okay, so that's where the other Transclear and larger one of those pieces went. Well, I guess not really went, but anyway. So that's where they are. And what else? Oh, some smaller ones of those pieces. And there's a new piece, I'll just get it out. These are, well, new to me. Actually, they might have come out in 2015, so that's, so I guess they're technically called new. Yeah, so that's, those are the new parts that I got, and then, I think the biggest package is in here. Yeah, 8, 1x15, lift irons. Yeah, so just 8 of those. Yep, just a simple market. So